at the community level through this initiative?
Yes, the outcome there is that we would expect that our residents are aware of the program that or services we are rendering as a regional council, and then also that the residents, become to know all the programs, projects that we have rendered over the period of 5 years. And then they will be able also to comment in terms of improved service delivery. And these are critical for us as part of the feedback. We can only address some of the issues that they will mention to us in terms of the gaps as far as efficient and effective service delivery is concerned.
Now we know, Mr. Mafila, that each constituency really has its own unique challenges. So how will the format of these sessions really ensure that local voices and issues are genuinely heard and genuinely addressed? Yes,
to start with, we are talking about taking services closer to the people. In this regard, we view this strategy that we need to take this information sharing to the community, and this is bring these services closer to them. Hence, we felt that it will be much better for the honorables to create this platform to engage the community. And if you look at it, the approach that we have made to make sure that everybody is reached, the first is to bring the studio closer. We are very happy with NBC to bring this outside broadcast, and then we took it to the constituency. As you know, that we have informed everybody to come to have that opportunity directly to interact with the honorable. And equally also that we know that some will not be able to make it. That's where the issue of the radio, we are based on our partnership with NBC, that we made sure that those who could not make it, we still reach them through the national radio in different languages, as well as the social media, because our residents are very diverse, especially we've got the majority are the youth. So the issue of social medias, that will also make sure that we reach these diverse residents in terms of their needs as far as information is concerned.
Well, the success of this initiative, as you mentioned, heavily relies on NBC's technical and production support. But I want you to talk to us about, the value of this ongoing partnership between the two entities in driving, community engagements efforts.
Yes, thank you very much. Well, to start with, I just want to thank the NBC. With this, we regard NBC as strategic, partner. And then through the competence and then the dedication of the staff, we have made it possible, and it goes without saying that it is added value, because we are able to reach, if not all our residents, through their commitment in terms of making available the outside production. That one has really added value, because we believe that we have reached all our residents that were not reached before.
Looking beyond August and this initiative, are there plans, Mr. Mafila, to institutionalize these kinds of public engagement sessions as a regular feature of the Council's communication with its citizens?
Definitely yes. We will continue on this one, because as the Regional Council, we are very innovative and creative. We are looking at many ways of how to address, to make sure that all our communities are aware about the offerings or the services rendered by this. Therefore, we have got no hesitation that these sessions will continue even beyond August. It's to make sure that people knows what we have done. We have been here for 5 years. When we talk about transparency and accountability, our regional councils are doing exactly what they're supposed to do, to say this is what we promised, these are the challenges we found when we came in the office, our intervention are A, B, C, D, and therefore we are coming to you to hear your views. We will explain to you what we have rendered, and then you also give us a feedback. Therefore, we see this one as a very good platform. And then we make sure that with the partnership with NBC, we'll take it very far.
Well, any final remarks you have for us this evening?
Yes, the final remarks is just to mention that with these sessions, we have learned quite a lot. First, as you remember that now, serving the same people, we have got the City of Windhoek and the Khomas Regional Council, with a definite, clear issue of mandates. The city concentrates on municipal services, while the Regional Council, we are now focusing on the issue of healthcare services, education services, to some other extent the security, and other issues of creating jobs for the youth. But in our engagement, the last 3 engagements we've held, then we come to realize that most of the issues that are being raised are more municipal services, where people want to know. But in that regard, we can only confirm that we are working closely with the City of Windhoek because they've got an MOU. Also, the structure of governance on the constituency. You would find that there are specific honorable councillors that are assigned to respective constituencies that are part of the constituent development committees. Hence, when people are raising those issues, it's our belief that all stakeholders, key stakeholders, and then constituent development committee that be present in case after we have explained what we are providing or we are offering as services, then there are some gaps people want to know. What about municipal services that are not rendered? Then would we expect that our key stakeholders be part, especially at the point of where we want to engage them to hear from them because there are always a platform for them to ask questions. That will help us quite a lot. If we have our key partners like the City of Windhoek, the technical staff, that applies also to other, when it comes to us, with many other functions that help us to render services. We make sure that they should be around, that where they need be, then we'll be able for them to come up with clarifications to make sure that people are not left hanging. We can only do that those who are leading agents, they must come and provide services. We have seen that. And going forward, I would want to appeal that our key stakeholders should be able to avail themselves to be present so that we'll be able to give them proper information and also to assure our residents that we are there for them and really we want to provide efficient and effective service that will improve their standard of living. And in fact, that's the purpose why the Regional Council was created.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Well, that was Mr. Mafila from the Khomas Regional Council speaking to us there about the information sessions in partnership with the NBC that will be unfolding in August. We'll be back after this very brief break. We talk on the SOE Games currently underway in Swakopmund. Stay with us.